तेरे बिन तेरे बिन यार it was lovely. I slept. I'm glad करीम वाला अच्छा था यहीं छोड़ के गया वरना मैं तो पेशावर की तैयारी में थी चेस्ट का खाऊंगी Islamabad man, it's home ground.
The vibe of this place.
It's home man, it's home.
Home
मतलब I
is better.
love Karachi.
हाँ.
I love Karachi because my work is there and I've been living there for the past 7
हाँ.
months. But Islamabad. I come back every month. मैं इतनी
Yeah, सब लोग सुन रहे हैं प्लीज आप YouTube के हमारे comment section में if you want to fight on Karachi and Lahore और Islamabad तो you can do that.
लाहौर वाले
Or-
तो प्लीज ना आए हमको
हाँ.
सांस लेने को नहीं मिलता
हाँ
smog
ये भी
इतना
है
यहाँ पे।
लाहौर वाले can like just like get some ventilators or like just stay indoors.
Extreme.
And Karachi and Islamabad can fight over who loves Yashal more.
यार Army of Thieves मुझे रात को नींद नहीं आ रही थी I've actually watched it last
तुमने
night
उसकी
only.
like did you watch like क्या कहते हैं वो जो Army of the Dead पहले देखी थी या Army of Thieves पहले देखी है?
नहीं I've seen Army of Thieves only and I
अच्छा.
absolutely loved it मैंने बड़ा enjoy किया
हाँ
because I think the girl was from she was in Game of Thrones I think
हाँ
so I just saw her in the preview and I was like देख लेते हैं यार so I was like and it was trending as well but luckily fortunately it was a
मजे की
very
movie
nice
थी. I really
बहुत
like
मजे
it.
की
मुझे
movie.
मजे की लगी
yes
थी.
yes yes भाई बॉलीवुड यार
Bollywood.
मैं बहुत बड़ा ड्रामा हूँ
कौन सी मूवी?
यार,
Which movie you can watch all the time? Like you can like even you can like
यार ये बड़ी
repeat पे भी देख लो.
ये बड़ी embarrassing बात है लेकिन there was this one movie जो कि मेरा ख्याल है शायद बॉलीवुड की हिस्ट्री की सबसे बड़ी फ्लॉप रही होगी it was Love Story 2050 I can watch
The one with Priyanka Chopra in it.
yes I
Oh
can
my
watch
God.
that movie over and over आप जितनी दफा बोलोगे मैं वो देखने को तैयार हूँ
Why?
I don't know man I just love that movie मैं आज तक पिकअप लाइंस उसी मूवी से चेप के मारती हूँ that's the influence that movie has had on me
एक अपनी favorite pickup line मुझे बताएं आप.
YES yes
Yes.
like if I ask you out on a
हाँ.
date and you say no
हाँ.
I'll be like YES 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 is such a nice word it's such a simple word तुम्हारा नाम इरम है
हाँ.
yes
Yes.
तुम मेरा इंटरव्यू ले रही हो
Yes.
तुम मेरे साथ खाने पे चलोगी
Yes. Oh, very nice.
See?
Very nice. Very nice.
but no
I like it.
it's a horrible movie
It's a horrible movie. Yeah.
excruciating pain होता है
हाँ,
आपको लेकिन I
समझ
love
नहीं
it
आती वो क्या
I
है.
don't care man I love it it's my all time favorite Bollywood movie all time favorite यार मैं गुलाब जामुन होती मैं बहुत स्वीट हूँ
Right.
मुझे लगता है ये ना मैं गुलाब and I'm soft as well
हाँ.
like मैं soft ही हूँ I don't want to make this like but yeah I'd be a gulab jamun for sure यार calls I can't man वो फिर आपको इधर उधर निकलना पड़ता है
हाँ.
messages पे आप कटा सकते हो तो I yes messages yeah so I have this boy gang
हाँ.
from university
हाँ.
and we're in general nice but horrible people so the kind of memes we share are very dark and
Yeah.
very weird but I can go through my phone and I can see
I would want to see one appropriate meme from your phone.
yeah I'll see it's an accessory it's
Yeah.
this ring it's my granddad's I've been wearing it for the past 13 years
Okay.
I can't I can leave my watch I can leave my keys
Huh.
I can leave whatever but I can't
That is so nice though. Which store
Yeah.
is it?
This is a geek. That's what my
Very
dad
nice
tells
thing.
me. Yeah,
Huh.
yeah. It's just rotten है, इस पे जंग है, but I just like it the way it is.
Really, I absolutely love rings. मुझे accessories वैसी इतनी अच्छी लगती हैं.
But like,
my
there's a lot of sentimental value.
Exactly.
Because
I
I've
think
never seen my
sentiments-
granddad. So yeah,
I miss my nana too, like all the time.
I don't know.
Oh yeah.
It's a good thing to have.
Yeah.
So I have one which is non-industry.
Okay.
I have. So I don't like mixing my
हाँ,
friends.
mixing your friends.
हाँ, मेरी मेरे यूनिवर्सिटी के दोस्त are the closest to me and I love them. Almost मैं रोजाना उनके पास ही होती हूँ. And there are those boys, and then I have some people from office. I'm very close to them, and then I have a clan in the industry. And, yeah. So I'm somebody who loves to stay in. I don't like going out in public that much. Because but in general I like that peace. So we'll rendezvous at one of our friends' place and बस हम वहाँ पे projector लगा लेंगे. We'll watch random ass shit. कुछ भी हम लगा लेंगे. I remember there was this one time we were watching this horrible movie. I think, oh my god, there was Bollywood movie का नाम. And my friends were like, ये बहुत funny है. And then हम यूँ बैठे हुए थे because हम जब 6th 7th में थे तब हमें वो movie funny लगी थी. So that's literally what we do. किसी ढाबे पे बैठ जाएंगे. I very hardly do fancy restaurants. वो बस मजबूरी हो तो जाना पड़ता है. Otherwise I do ढाबे की चाय at any time of the day, especially Islamabad के winters में.
So your preferred season is winter, not summer.
Yeah, I'm from Kashmir. So all I've seen all my life is winter. तो मुझे सर्दियाँ in general बहुत पसंद है. Because I get to be in sweats and all. Summers में, there's sweat and there's all of that.
Like everything is annoying in summer.
Yes. So I love winters. I love winters. Yeah, I'm very good at cricket. I'm very good at sports actually in general. I was house captain back at Nust.
Nice.
Yeah, I'm very good at sports, specifically cricket.
So you're watching the T20 World Cup then?
Yes, of course.
Which match did you like the most?
Yeah, Pakistan versus India, man. That
yes.
But it got so boring at the end. I was like, ये कौन सी टीम फरिश्ते खेल रहे हैं, गैबी मदद हो रही है, क्या हो रहा है? But Pakistan and India always, it was. Obviously, being in the industry as anybody, आप industry कह लो या आप limelight कह लो for that matter. On the other hand, as far as singing is not concerned, I work in a multinational as well. But in general, it's an intrinsic part of my personality. I love to connect with people. आप मुझे random 100 के crowd में भेज दें, I'll make a friend out of each and every one of them.
That's so nice.
So that's just who I am, but Alhamdulillah, for the singing bit of it, I've actually been able to meet some very amazing people. And it's very nice, yaar, आप randomly कहीं पे भी बैठे होते हो, then somebody comes up. From this, actually, I was in Karachi अभी 2 हफ्ता पहले, and I was at Dolmen with my friends और वो shopping कर रही थी, and this just girl came up to me और मैंने mask नहीं पहना था, मुझे लगा शायद वो जलील करने आ रही है कि bro, you're in a mall, wear a mask. But then she was like, can I talk to you? तो normally लोग आते हैं, they like selfie ले लें मैम, selfie लेके वो कट लेते हैं. But then she had a very meaningful conversation with me. She was like, I listened to this and that, and I heard all your songs. And then she gave me donuts.
Oh, that's so nice.
And I was having a very terrible day. बड़ा मेरा weird सा दिन जा रहा था, and she literally fixed everything for me. So that's the part, where I've seen people looking up to me कि यार हमने भी करना है. People send me their auditions कि यार अपनी lyrics भेजते हैं, हर तरह का talent भेजते हैं. So I'm actually very glad that I'm in a position where I can help somebody, where I can show them कि भाई ये कर लो या ये ना करो. So yes, pros and cons हैं, obviously cons भी हैं, but जितना मैं manage कर रही हूँ, I'm very grateful. It's a very good place to be in. Yes, man, it's my home ground. Why not? मैं बड़ा try करी थी, but then बीच में COVID आ गया. मेरी सारी जितने गाने release हुए, जितना भी वो peak चल रहा था आप कह लें, वो सब COVID में था. And मैंने जितनी performances की हैं वो या लाहौर थी या कराची थी. So I'm actually really looking forward.
Well, like good luck for the performance in Islamabad.
अखियों ने क्यों अखियों से जोड़ा है यूं दीवानों से. अखियों ने तेरी अखियों से बांधा है क्यों तूने अश्कों से. तेरे बिन तेरे बिन तेरे बिन तेरे बिन तेरे बिन। खुद को बदल के दुनिया बदलो।